Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi and this is Styled by Glam.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
In today's video, we have another unboxing and I'm so excited to share this pair with you guys because I didn't think I would end up buying this pair because I've been meaning to go and try it out, but every store I went to, I wasn't able to see it in person and I didn't want to risk it before, trying it on. Fortunately, when I was up north, I did come across them and they had it in my size, the last pair, and yeah, I made the purchase. The pair of shoes that I'm talking about is the LUZ Mules in mesh with rhinestone by Saint Laurent. They have a sister pair that's been going viral on the internet lately. I believe it's in the same similar material, but it's a pair of boots, and for me, that style was a little too over the top. What I would wear daily, I feel like I would not be able to get a lot of use out of that pair of boots. And when I saw that they have a mules version, heels, and I thought I had to get them. That is my jam. I need to have them. And luckily I saw them up north and was able to try them, like I said, and they were super comfortable. So I made the purchase and I'm here to unbox it with you. As per usual, before moving on, this is your first time watching, my name is Gigi. This is my channel. I usually post between fashion and lifestyle vlogs. And if this is the type of content you enjoy, I hope you would join me on my channel. Hit that subscription button and the alert bell for future video notifications. Also, I post on TikTok as well as Instagram on a daily basis. I share a lot of outfit inspos as well as daily tips to how to style your everyday look. And if you haven't joined me over there, I hope you will as well. And if you do, don't be shy, say hello. And with that out of the way, let's move on to the fun part of the video, which is the unboxing. Let's get to it. And here we have the shoes. They are mules with heels and has a lot of sparkle to them. They're definitely not an everyday pair of shoes, but I do feel like I can get a lot of use out of them given how minimal it is, even though there's rhinestones on it, and they're black, so they can go with a lot of outfits. Even like just with this dress that I have on right now, I feel like it'll make a cute little nighttime dinner look. Or if I want to go a little bit more casual, wearing these with some oversized jeans, I think, and having this part kind of just pop out at the bottom will be super cute too. And here's a close-up shot of this pair. So as you can see, the front here, it's made up of a clear, almost plastic material underneath, but right on top there is a layer of mesh which the rhinestones are kind of attached onto. And that's why you see if I move it, it kind of shifts a little bit. But yeah, it does not move when you have it on your, or wearing it. I think it's very secure, but I like the fact that in the packaging, they provided additional rhinestones that I can easily reapply if any were to come off. It does have a black leather trim, so I don't know if anybody else has this experience, but a lot of times this kind of more plasticky material on shoes, as beautiful as they look, they can be kind of rough on the feet. But when I tried these on, because they did a leather binding up here as well as here in the front, if you can see, yep, and I did not feel at all any of like rubbing against the skin that feels uncomfortable, and they were super comfy and easy to walk in, and that's why I was like, okay, they did a good job. This pair is a go. In the end, for me, no matter how beautiful this pair of shoes is, if it's uncomfortable, I'm not gonna wear it, and it's gonna be a waste of money. So that is definitely my top priority, that the shoes needs to be comfortable, and I make sure to walk around in them in store and, make sure I'm 100% sure that this pair I'll get some use out of it. Now, in terms of the sole here, I love what they did at the back with the heel being kind of like a square, and it gives it more of a design element as well. Just like when I like the front to have this little bit of a pointy instead of just a round front, I feel like it gives it more of a updated look. Or I guess in some ways, nothing is new anymore these days. We're always taking inspiration from vintage look. So I won't be, I won't say this is new, but I definitely love that the current seasons are adding this back, and I love that the back here has this square, and I just think it looks so much more sleek. And in terms of the heel, it is a 4-inch heel, a teeny tiny heel, and it has this glossy material to it, and not glossy material, but a gloss to it. So it gives it a little bit of a contrast to the black leather that is up top, and kind of balances out with the sparkle up here on the front. Now overall, this pair of shoes, it does not have too much padding, I want to say. Like if you press into it, there is a little bit here in the back of the heel, but here in the front, I don't know if you can see because it's black, but it's pretty much just, the leather. However, the ratio to the heel and the arch and how your feet is in this pair of shoes, I did not feel at all like I was like kind of, when some heels, if it's not fitting you right, you feel like your feet is just like kind of falling forward and it's not comfortable. That did not happen with this pair of shoes, and it fitted me so comfortably, and I keep saying how comfortable they are because they really are, and I can't wait to wear them. And especially on a night out, you sometimes you need to walk around, or you go out with your girlfriends you just want to be comfortable too, on top of looking good. And that is the unboxing of this pair of Saint Laurent Mules that I just purchased. Can't wait to wear them. I can't wait to style them. I'm going to Vegas next week, and I'm definitely bringing this pair so I can wear them out on town while I'm out there. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me once again. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you haven't already, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up. Also, feel free to comment and leave any questions you may still have for this pair of shoes, or any other aspect in regards to this pair of shoes that I did not address. Also, feel free to suggest if there's any specific fashion related, lifestyle related content that you wish to see on this channel. I look forward to creating more content for you guys. Thank you again for all the support, and I will see you guys on the next video.